Looking for ways to better keep your bathroom dry and prevent mold and bad smells? Consider putting in a bathroom countdown timer switch like this one. Hi, this is David at Tech for Baba. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you like useful tech for the family like me. In today's video, let's check out this simple bathroom countdown timer switch, how to install it, and how it can keep a bathroom better ventilated after use to prevent mold and bad smells. This particular switch is from Emerlights, but other countdown timer switches will work the same way. I'll put a few in the description below for your reference. The switch came in a simple blue and white box. Comes with 4 wire nuts, the switch, which we'll look into soon, a nice small faceplate which hides the mounting screws, and a manual. This countdown timer switch replaces a standard in-wall 1-gain switch for a fan or light here in the US. It does have a deeper body than a standard mechanical switch. There are 4 wires on the back to connect. Red is the load wire going to the fan or the light, a black hot wire, a white neutral wire, and a green ground wire. There are 7 buttons on the front, 6 to set the countdown timer for 1 minute, 5, 10, 15, 20, or 30 minutes. 1 large on and off button. Each button has a corresponding indicator LED light. We'll demonstrate how they work once it's installed. Installation is similar to a typical light switch. Note that I'm not an electrician, just a dad who likes to fix things around the house. Having said that, do hire a licensed electrician if you're in doubt or not familiar with electrical work around the house. Okay, I want to replace the fan switch in the middle here with the countdown timer switch. First thing first, always turn off the power at the circuit breaker before installation. Let's take the faceplate off. I always double check at the switch also with this non-contact voltage tester to make sure the power is indeed off before doing any work. Remove the old switch. Take note of which of the black wires goes to the load, the fan in this case. In my case, one of the black wire has a little rubber band marking it the load wire. Connect the red wire with it using the supply wire nut. Then the other black wire with the black hot wire on the switch. Remove the existing wire nut with all the white neutral wires and add in the white wire on the switch with them. Lastly, connect the green wire with the copper ground wire. Next, push all the wires back into the electrical box. This could be a bit tricky, but we need to make room for the deeper body of the switch. Secure the switch with the top and bottom screws. Now, we can turn the power back on. A couple of the blue indicator lights are on. That's a good sign. Then put back the cover plate. This one on the top indicates the amount of countdown time the switch is preset at. The indicator light below the big on and off button indicates the fan is off. When the fan is off like it is now, press any one of the preset buttons to turn on the fan for the selected amount of time. In this case, 1 minute. When 1 minute is up, the switch will turn the fan off automatically. If I want to turn the fan off manually anytime, just press the big on and off button. When the fan is off, pressing the big on and off button would also turn the fan on for the current preset amount of time. To make the fan stay on without the switch turning it off automatically, press and hold this big on-off button for 4 seconds. So to better keep my bathroom dry and well ventilated, I just press one of the countdown timers to keep the fan running for the desired amount of time longer after I leave the room. The Enelights countdown timer switch is about $19 each. There are different color models and models with longer countdown durations up to 4 hours. There are also different style countdown timer switches. I'll put a few of them in the description below for you to check out. Which style countdown timer switch do you like? What else do you do to keep molds away from your bathrooms? Share with us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. It helped me out a lot. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, subscribe to the channel and check out this video next. I'll see you in that next one. Until then, God bless and remember to cherish each moment.